And good morning. You're looking at a live view from our roof cam high top WNEP showing you the rain has arrived here in northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Not the storms quite yet. We're going to see those storms moving in this afternoon. We're going to talk more about that in a little bit. But as promised, we just want to update you on what you can expect as we move through the afternoon. So let me go back to the view. You can see Montage Mountain there, the raindrops on the lens. And we're going to be looking at more rain, which could be heavy at times as we move into the afternoon. So that's what it looks like right now. You have an area of low pressure over the Great Lakes. It's pushing a front in our direction. The front itself is still to our west. What we're dealing with now is some prefrontal shower activity. Just back that out a little bit. Where's the front? Put it into now mode. You can see out in western Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, even a little lightning detected out there. So that's what's going to be heading into central Pennsylvania as we move into early afternoon and then eventually into eastern Pennsylvania late afternoon. So the front still to the west. It's going to be gradually working its way to the east. We'll put it back into motion and show you the movement of these storms. They're moving through pretty quickly. We have some, just a couple of thunderstorms right now moving through western Ohio, or western Pennsylvania, that is. And if we look at future radar, let's jump to that. You can see the timing of these. So there's 11:30. The storms just to our west by, say, 1:30. They're in Lock Haven, 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock, they're in the Susquehanna Valley, and by 4, 5 o'clock, now they're over the Wyoming Valley. So if you have any outdoor plans, you're going to want to keep an eye to the sky, and my best advice would be to download the WNEP app on your smartphone. If you do that, then you'll get alerts, you'll find out where the severe storms are, and it's a way to keep you informed and safe. I'm just scrolling through it again so you can see for yourself. We're looking at those thunderstorms being over the Wyoming Valley sometime between, say, 5 and 8 o'clock this evening. And then once we get beyond 8 o'clock, you can see they're pretty much tapering off. So that's what we're looking at. Temperatures today, very mild compared to where we were earlier in the week. Look at Bloomsburg right now, 60. One of the cooler spots is Milford at 40, but Sayres at 57, so closing in on 60. And we're looking at Tower City there at 58, also getting ready to close in on 60 there. The other thing I want to mention, the winds. They're not bad right now, but as that front approaches, they're really going to pick up from the south. So we're going to be looking at steady wind speeds this afternoon, anywhere from about 15 to 20 miles an hour. And the other thing we're concerned with, some damaging winds. So our greatest risk for those will be anytime between noon and 8 o'clock, starting in central Pennsylvania, gradually working its way east, high winds. Again, we could be looking at 50, maybe even over 60 miles an hour on some of the hilltops with these storms as they come through. Flash flooding, certainly a possibility. You get downpours in areas with poor drainage. Could have some ponding of water for sure. Unlikely for tornadic activity, but not completely ruled out. So we're putting that slight risk in there as well. And how much rain can we expect from these storms as they move through? Higher amounts in eastern Pennsylvania. That's showing maybe an inch or a little bit more. Central Pennsylvania, a little bit less. You can see Mill Hall there, almost just under a ½ inch. About 1/3 of an inch there in Wellsboro, ½ inch in Towanda, but then you come down to Frackville, Albrightsville, and we're looking at about an inch of rain by the time it's all said and done. Our temperature trend, again, we're going up. We're going to be near 70 degrees as we move into the afternoon. So it's going to be breezy and very warm. We're going to continue to update you as we move through the afternoon. So stay tuned to WNEP. We have a TV break that we're going to do at about 1:25. And if it warrants, and we have severe weather, as we've been talking about, potential is there, then we'll do more cut-ins here on social media. So stay safe. We'll keep you